Now, after flipping all the battery chargers this morning, and boy, we're coming up on the end of the battery charging season, I'm thinking to myself, could it be any better? Well, this is a funny thing. I got up this morning thinking, not sure why I thought this. I thought for sure Luciano would surprise me, come over the house while I was sleeping and put those 15 bags of mulch in the garden and level it all out for me so that I could go riding today. But good news. I spoke to Karen and she says, why don't you go for a ride and we'll do the mulch tonight. And Luciano will come over and he'll spread it all out. He likes working with mulch. Well, here's the funny thing. The truth is, he doesn't like doing mulch any more than I do, but it's got to be done. It's like taking the bugs off the bike or changing the oil or doing whatever. So Karen and I, in Karen's good-heartedness, she's making me a cup of coffee this morning and she says, to have a cup of coffee, go for a ride. When you get back, we'll do the mulch. And I still have Turbo Steve's part to paint, but he's not going to ride this afternoon anyway. So hopefully we can get some of or all of those things done today. But you never know. Every day's full of surprises. And of course, Rob is just about as excited as I can ever be. He's been over here oogling the bikes a few times, but breaking away from his job with the virus, he's on double overload, and with Miles being homeschooled and weekends coming, the weather doesn't even play exactly the way we want. Well, but he's got a treat in store for him. This is going to be a real nice day. We're going to try to plan something special for around the day, a cookout maybe or something. Aware of coronavirus masks or Turbo Steve's red shoes or something. I don't know. But I'm looking forward to that day. But in the meantime, there's other bikes to ride. Now, I checked the weather last night. The weather is supposed to be beautiful all day. Go up into the 50s, the high 50s even. And what's really funny is that the weatherman has been wrong more than right. But today, I don't know why I have this confidence in him that we're going to get a little ride in before we mulch-o-matic our garden. What a thrill. You know what special time it is now. Time to eat. Oh yeah, that mating is all, they were mating for the last couple of days. Now I guess they're hungry. Play it right and I'll order a pizza tonight. Now we got robins out here this morning. What else we got? We live in a nature preserve here. There was a squirrel here. Oh, there he is. Always entertainment, bird entertainment. Just couldn't be a more fun time of year. And the beauty is truly all around us. We are so fortunate to live in such a beautiful part of the country. And it's a beautiful time of year. If you looked up at the sky, there is not a cloud in the sky. It is just coming up on a nice temperature for a ride. This couldn't be any better. There's only one thing. Luciano hasn't come by and spread my mulch yet. And I'm so happy to have the bikes always on charge, all polished up, all maintained and ready to go. Because you never know when one of these days is coming, and when it does, I want that bike ready to go.
Lord, what a beautiful day this turned out to be. Holy mackerel. Unexpectedly nice. Now check this out, back home from a beautiful ride. I mean a beautiful ride. And I'm shocked. None of my friends came over and put the mulch in the garden for me, so I guess I'm going to have to do that tonight. I'm shocked. I thought I'd come home, the mulch would be all done. Luciano, what the hell are you doing today? It really is a priceless time of year, and the flowering trees, purple azaleas are out. Oh my God. It was just a wonderful ride.
And I never come back from a ride on the GS disappointed. What a bike. What a great bike. I'm sure Dallas loves his bike too. I'm sure Aaron loves. Everybody that has one of these loves them. I don't know why. You wind up, you go in the garage, and all of a sudden you're riding a GS. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. The radar detector worked like a jewel today. We had a couple little incidents. They still think, you know, even though there's a coronavirus, there's still a couple of them hiding in the bushes and who knows why. Anyway, love my GS. What a beautiful day. And thank you to all the coronavirus workers that have made it possible that we've all survived. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.
So I waited patiently, put the bike away, waited to see if any of my friends were going to come, and only one friend came. And it was my best friend, Karen. And we got this done in a couple of hours. Well, actually, it's not even dark yet. It's not even getting to be dark. And she is possibly the happiest girl in the world. And there's nothing nicer this time of year than watching. There's all our little plants all in there. And we've got hundreds more to put in here. By the time we're done, this is going to be like the motorcycle mall of gardens. This is pretty funny. I work outside how many hours? 2-3 hours, Karen? And this is my reward. I get a giant cookie the size of a pizza pie. I guess it's worth it. So as the long shadows settle in here, this was another, as Karen says often, a day well spent. Time to put the motorcycles to sleep. Time to feed the fish one final time. Look around and say, wow, a day well spent. Anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.